Hello, students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We are continuing our ancient history series by looking at the Republic's struggles. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill in the blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. Do it now, please. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Okay, let's do this. The Roman Republic grew from a small region in central Italy to a great power in the Mediterranean. However, its system of government did not survive this massive growth. Conflict with Carthage. In the 200s BCE, Rome fought with a city in North Africa called Carthage for control of the Western Mediterranean. This series of wars is known as the Punic Wars. In 218, a Carthaginian general named Hannibal invaded northern Italy. Hannibal almost succeeded in capturing the city of Rome. Finally, in 146 BCE, Rome was able to destroy Carthage and take control of its territories. Rome was now an empire, a state containing several countries or territories. This empire now included most of the lands along the western half of the Mediterranean Sea, including the provinces of Spain and Greece. What were Rome's growing pains? Conquest brought Rome power and wealth, but the vast riches from trade and conquest also caused problems. For example, as politicians and office holders became richer, they became more willing to break the rules of politics or use violence to win elections. Another problem was that while Rome was growing richer, many Romans were growing poorer. Finally, as the army grew in power, soldiers became more loyal to their commanders than to the Roman government itself. How did Rome change from republic to empire? Perhaps the main reason that the Roman Republic ended was the rise of civil war between groups from the same country. Supporters of different men, usually generals, fought for power throughout the 102nd BCE and after. A general named Julius Caesar defeated his rivals and took control of Rome by becoming dictator for life. When Caesar was murdered by rivals in 44 BCE, his young relative Octavian seized power and made himself Rome's first emperor. He renamed himself Augustus. Augustus ended the long period of civil war, but the Roman Republic was gone. In its place was a mighty empire. Now, let's do the mighty recap. Rome started as a small republic in central Italy and somehow leveled up into the dominant power of the Mediterranean, but its government did not handle becoming Sigma very well. In the 200s BCE, Rome fought Carthage in the Punic Wars, including the moment in 218 BCE when Hannibal marched into Italy and scared Rome badly enough that people probably checked the city gates twice a night. By 146 BCE, Rome destroyed Carthage and took over its lands, becoming an empire that controlled much of the Western Mediterranean, including Spain and Greece. All that conquest brought huge wealth, but also serious problems, since politicians broke rules and used violence to win elections. Rich Romans got richer, while poor Romans got poorer, and soldiers became more loyal to their favorite generals than to the government. These growing pains led to civil wars in the 100s BCE as rival generals fought for power until Julius Caesar I, became dictator for life, and was then murdered in 44 BCE for it. After that, his relative Octavian took charge, renamed himself Augustus, ended the chaos, and turned Rome into a stable empire, which was great for peace, but meant the Roman Republic was officially history. There you have it, folks. That is the Republic struggles nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons for me. Yeah, help me expand this channel. Okay, I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.